Why do some AI agents feel so light and free, while others come with structure, graphs, and guarantees? Ooh-ah, the guarantees. Take Amazon Strands agents, an open source SDK built with a model-driven heart, simple as can be. Simple as can be. You give it just a prompt, a list of tools to call, then let the LM reason, plan, and handle it all. Minimal boilerplate, few lines of code to start. The model decides the flow, it thinks, it acts, it restarts. It thinks, it acts, it restarts. It shines in AWS land with Bedrock and Lambda scale. Serverless deployment, native guardrails that never fail. Native rails that never fail. Now meet Google's ADK, the agent development kit designed for clear orchestration, explicit and strict. Explicit and strict. You define the web walks, sequential parallel loops, multi-agent patterns with A2A protocol as the troops. It offers a friendly CLI, multi-language support so wide, observability built in, and strong control on the ride. Strong control on the ride. Google Cloud integration runs deep with Vertex AI, while Strands leans on the model's own native intelligence high. Strand says, trust the model to figure the path. ADK says, define the map, avoid the aftermath. One favors speed and simplicity, less code, more autonomy. The other brings structure, auditability, and strong harmony. Both support A2A for agents to talk across the floor. Both embrace CP for tools, they're opening the door. They're opening the door. Two philosophies, two power different ways. Neither is wrong, just built for different dance. Choose ADK when you need precise steps and governance in advance. Humming in rhythmic foot stomps, let the perfect plan unfold, or let the model take the wheel all the way.